The heat transfer coefficient interactive calculator solves for convection heat transfer parameters in engineering applications. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include calculate heat transfer coefficient, calculate heat flux, calculate temperature difference, calculate from Nusselt number, calculate total heat transfer, and calculate overall heat transfer coefficient. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate heat transfer coefficient. For this mode, enter heat flux Q in watts per square meter and temperature difference delta T in Kelvin. Additional input fields appear for other calculation modes, including Nusselt number, thermal conductivity K, characteristic length L, surface area A, inner and outer convection coefficients, wall thickness, and wall thermal conductivity. Here's our example calculation. With heat flux of 5,000 watts per square meter and temperature difference of 25 Kelvin, clicking Calculate gives us a primary result of 200 watts per square meter Kelvin. The classification shows forced convection liquid, indicating the heat transfer regime. The output confirms our heat flux at 5,000 watts per square meter and temperature difference at 25 Kelvin. This calculator streamlines convection analysis for heat exchanger design and thermal system optimization. Find the link in the description below.